Hey my roses, hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rossy, and today I'm going to a waterfall. So mom doesn't know I'm going to a waterfall. So that's why I'm keeping it quiet. I told her I'm going to film a video. So that's why I'm keeping it quiet. So I'm meeting a bunch of friends and we're going there. So the weather is super nice right now. बहुत अच्छा weather बना हुआ है आज and I hope it does not rain at all and I can film properly. So you can see it's like super crisp. At the same time it's not sunny at all. So hopefully we can film. Hopefully nature agrees with us and is like, Rossy, here you go, film your video. But yeah, mostly that, and I'll see you when I'm ready. Yeah, ab ki baar you'll see me when I'm ready. Trekking outfit, a disguised outfit, cause mom doesn't know. Okay, so we have to wear this. Okay. Obstacle number one tackled. I just made it 10 minutes away from my home, and it's right there. My bike. I've put petrol and I've also put air in my bike. The next thing is to tackle is started drizzling a little, so I need to put my camera in, all my things in, and put on some raincoat. And next thing is I'm already super late, and my friends are going to be so upset about it. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you when I meet my friends. Okay, bye. Meet my friends, by the way. Rishi.
Hello.
This is the sexy boy Rishi, by the way. Hi, meet Zeke, Giselle.
Hi.
I don't know, awkward. You want to say something?
Yes. I hope your mom likes you.
Bro, literally, mom has no clue I'm going on a hike today, you know. She has no clue.
But she will see eventually.
Mama, if you're watching this, your daughter...
She did not go to a waterfall.
No, your daughter's safe. Your daughter's safe. Okay, so finally one of my friends, Janvi. Are you done?
No, I'm not holding friends.
Okay, meet Janvi. She's holding a cup and with head. Do you want to say something?
I love Rosie. Do not ask me anything, please.
Woman. Look at this woman who's late as fuck, okay? Late as fuck. Do you have anything to say in your defense?
No, I don't. I am proud of that. I'm, late.
Everybody, Suiza late OP in chat because she's like super late. Anyways, now we are hitting the road and yeah, see you there. Okay, so we're all, everybody wave.
Where's my phone?
Everybody wave please. One last time.
What the hell? Give me
Okay, Rishi, please let's hit the road. This man is taking us. If anything happens, this man is responsible, okay? And my friends are being a chaos. Anyways, bye. I'll see you on the road. Here are some B-rolls for you. Bye. Okay, we finally made it. Finally near Savarte Waterfall, and we have a guide with us. I am with... Yes, Vishnu, loud and clear here. Sweet boy is helping us out and he's the guide here. And it has, we reached just now and it has started raining directly when we reached. So, it is currently... Oh my god, it is currently 2 o'clock. We planned to leave at 10 but we left around 11, 12 and now it's 2 o'clock and we just reached here and it started raining. But anyways, good weather, good vibes and yeah. Bye. Vishnu babe. Okay, so we have officially started the trek and it is, I think it is what, 30 minutes from here. Dude, so it's like so peaceful here and it's like drizzling a little. So I left my camera in the car but anyways, so it's so calm. You can literally hear the waters and the rain. It's like so therapeutic right now. So we've been almost walking for 30 minutes and now we're going downhill, which apparently, according to Vishnu, our guide here, is very close to the waterfall. I'm glistening. Everybody is looking like a glazed donut right now. So
Like 7 years now. And
yeah.
I'm just gonna fall somewhere.
Okay, so I am a girl who hasn't worked out in like 5 years, okay? So this is a lot of exercise, cardio in one go. We are here! Dude, there are a lot of people here, okay? So don't mind me. We made it! We made it! Yes! After all that, we made it. Right now, currently crossing the waters like old style, like this.
Okay, that's not ready.
Strong, okay? So this water! Yeah. Okay. I don't know if you see this right, but this is heaven. Okay, so we are here and we are having a really good time. People are there chatting over there and we are really having a good time. I hope you can hear me because like the water is gushing so hard. Okay, wait, wait.
Nice vlogging.
Okay, so by the way, this is Janvi, if you don't know. She is pursuing interior design. Very smart people. So in the future, don't be surprised if she comes up, it becomes like a big, design, interior design, big deal.
Or she winds up dead. But I can't say that.
We will just cut that part now and then or I.
Okay, my phone died.
Okay, act like mildly crazy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, anybody wants to say anything?
We're just having a good time.
Yeah, because and some of us don't know the swim, so daddy here getting our backs.
Don't go that side, go this side.
I won't.
Mr. Daddy doing his job right, okay?
Daddy is doing his job. Daddy.
Currently, like 4:25, and we reached I think around 2 o'clock here. We have spent like almost 2.5 hours here, and none of us are done. Look at them, none of us are done. And but still, we have to go eat our lunch, and we also have to take care because it started raining in the middle. But like so that it's not like safe to go back. So yeah, we have now got out of the water. And they are like making their way there. And here's the waterfall. I don't know if you all can see it. Here. There you go.
But that's okay.
That's okay. Look at you. You want to say something? You have not said anything. Okay. Simple one question.
Okay.
If you were given a choice to choose to build your own bitch or build your own boyfriend, who would you pick, or like what characters would they have, and like what would you put in an ideal man? Someone who's obsessed with me. Okay, 1.
For starters.
Exactly, for starters one. I don't know. Okay. Rest she doesn't know. Okay, Rishi, आपके साथ question. Look at Rishi with a bindle, okay? Rishi, if this was your last, if this was the last day of your life, and if this was it, like, how would you rather have it otherwise?
Have what?
Have it otherwise. Have your last day of your life, not this, but something else.
Probably this.
Rishi's like, I don't mind. I'm dying anyways tomorrow.
I booked one guy. Done.
Okay, so now we are leaving officially. So thanks to this place. They were very sweet. They let us wash our hands. So they literally even washed our hands. Super nice people. Okay, this place was so sweet enough to host us for lunch. And bye bye guys. Vishnu, Omkar and Drishti. Bye bye. Thank you. Nice meeting you all. And you all can see yourselves on YouTube soon.